They say don't come here to downtown Kingston, but here I am getting along with the good people, you know? Out here looking like a Rasta, they got no problem. I love, man. Fire. Respect. I appreciate you guys. You good guys. You good guys. Respect. This guy's trying to offer me weed up here. Not on camera though. Because I can't film it. Oh,
Hey man, Kush.
Kush.
Yeah.
Respect, man. No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Respect. I'm okay. No. He was trying to plug his boy who was selling the high grade, but I'm okay.
This is one of the most famous guy downtown too. Yeah, when it comes down to the selling and all of them things, yeah, him is one of them guy there.
And this is how he promotes.
Yeah.
He gets on the mic.
Yeah, he gets on the mic and him DJ a few things when it comes down to the lyrics and the clothes.
2 bills and 3 bills in the deep. You man a so rate downtown man. Sell out the blows them, bam bam, pitam bam. Sell out the shots them, bam bam, pitam bam. All the tights them, bam bam, pitam bam. The cheap clothes them, bam bam, pitam bam.
Let me try. Bam bam be dum bam. Bam bam be dum bam. We selling clothes. Bam bam be bam bam. Seal on tour. Bam bam be dum bam. Jamaica walk by. Bam bam be dum bam. We out here. Bam bam be dum bam. Yeah man bam.